smoking till I grew my own. I'm in my zone, yep, I'm in my fly zone. I ain't got no wings, but I hang with the birds. Love to smoke on earth, never chill on the curb, but I got hood stories, really good stories. Not good for you, but really good for me. Everybody wanna jump, you wanna dance when they fucking with the club. From hustle you with buzz, when you fucking with a thug. I ain't even got a gun, I ain't run a lot of blast. And let you play. Yeah, I'm just doing what I'm doing. Man, it's the Don Show. Don't do that. Hey, here with you, baby, five. I'm gonna do that. Look.
Take your time. First open up your eyes, and you realize the truth in what they gave inside. Your mama invented, your father, you said it, I did it, I done it, I ripped it, I run it, my life ain't worth a hundred. These people fail to pay attention, so I mention them. I give it to them, give it. These people just listen, and they don't need to beg to speak. I'm the dude that right to me, I speak and I feel a bomb, so we are calm. You niggas close on the post and niggas don't ever know. Immaculate through the reason 5 just a show, so you can call the Superman or stunt guy. I do it big like Dave niggas the one ride to the top, never the flop, set the dang flip. I freestyle over beats, nigga, a 4 clip. That's unloaded, exploding, the people they know it's open and hoping and focus. These niggas they don't want it, homie. And if these people play their position and do it right, paparazzi for positive nigga business sight. So I give it to them like target. See, I'm an artist. Music is a part of it, so that my eye destroy it. When all these rappers get the rap running at their mouth, I rap a rapper ass up and that's what gets his out. Nigga, I write for this beat cause I'm just done here for now. The name right, top like bitch, and this is why. Hey, everybody came to see. Done do it, nigga, I freestyle on the beat. Give it to them with precision, I know they got to speak. I got the heart of the line and the soul of the beat. Nigga head strong, they dead wrong. Doing what y'all do, I advise you. On your own 2 feet, a man be a man. But right now, I'm making my I gotta keep my head out the clouds. The ghost of it must come down. Give him the greatest blessing by God that could be found. The ride with him, speak to the youth about the truth. There's a peace in the middle east, it won't stop. And they could the towers fell to the ground. Tell Osama bin Laden. If they knew all that from the jump, how the fuck can they stop? President Bush was a bitch. We should have armed him with guns. Let him fight his own war and quit this killing the sun. Illuminati's the monks, they just don't know who they are. They reign supreme in this world and they ride in bulletproof cars. Prophesizing they visualize the end of the world. Spirit meeting with the gene, call little boys, little girls. The satellites is the artists so they can monitor Earth. That's what they want us to believe, so we take it for what's worth. The greatest treat the devil will make you think that he knows that it's fascinating how government cover shit with politics. Hey, I'm gonna stand here proud. As a man, I'm a solid ground and not blind. That open eye can't be blind. You alive when you're getting in your life and your pride. You either make it or you fail. Ain't no time, ain't no tell. You either gonna listen to pay attention, you can fail. But mistakes are only mistakes. If you don't pay attention, learn your lesson. This is a mess that I can't forgive it. If I can preach it like a preacher early Sunday morning, I'm super clean. Look at me, nigga, put the money. Fresh out the house, straight to the wheel. And I know that everybody that's on the block know it's my show. So why the fuck would you ever try to step my toes? I keep them open and focus, cause bitch I know so cold like Eskimos walking through the snow. But naked looking for a bitch at a fishing hole. I never know that my style was just up with things. People that want topics ain't made it. I do it acrobatic, score the 10 on the landing. They yelling for the done, bitch I'm the highest man. I'm paying attention, getting the listen to something that I'm speaking. Cause we niggas know they the represented. It's on the heart, so it's a heart. I'm making pictures. Call me from cops, bitch. I pass out all the business. Hey, you came and see, don't. I do the shit to the beat. In my head and my feet. Niggas know I always feel this shit. Them on the rails this way. And shit. Then you don't know you can let me. You can only do my time. You ask my nigga, I've been trying for a long time. Who else you know?
Baby, switch mics.
That's where I sing this shit. It's like an old school novel that was read to you. I'm telling you, this is bread for you. I am the only one that's really on the microphone mission. And I'm fighting for position. You don't hear me when I'm spitting, cause I'm thinking what I'm thinking. And I'm saying what I'm saying. Cause this ain't no game to me and I ain't playing. That's why I'm staying. And I ain't going nowhere. I don't care. I come to it, I'll be like, from your fan, cause I will Y'all gonna wish y'all recording for.
Hey, nigga fell up in this place. A nigga superstar, so I get up in my way. Pay attention, I'm the man, I know they hear what I say. I'm the Don about you, stay up in your place. Nigga, I said, oh, rap up. Nigga suited and booted, I'm the Don, motherfucker. Right when it comes to loot, ain't no way, you motherfuckers. Never come through a pole, nigga sicker than your average. I'm a savage, out of color, I'm a boulder. Watch me over, bitch, I'm unloaded, then y'all niggas. Just paying attention when I go and said I'm doing what I do, it's just like an artist. When I start nigga in my garden, from the fingers, line don't think that bitch is burning. I've been on so many years, but where the deal, why I'm here, standing real, crystal is clear. Got them people looking at they watch cause them niggas grind. Tell my niggas grind, go rap me one bitch, I got it grind, I see it fine. Don't ask me why, look in my eyes, full of wine. Don't wanna drive, you ain't denied it, I'm that hottest thing you ever. Check my house, I'm with you, bound niggas bound. My way straight from the A nigga gang. I done kept it wrong. Show these niggas acting out of clear. The problem feeling like those niggas. I don't think they know this. Cause if they get this up real, you know they are like man, good dancing, cause they acting with they blasting. You gon' last and damage the drag, the hard up, I'm in the couple with flash. One in the wind, you and I win. Fuckin' with 7 grind, I doesn't see it. I don't be rolling these niggas, we rolling, they both go round and get their heads blown. Real slow, you got that toe, just like a little done, you about to get broke. I'm here fast and calling it blasting, but you're acting, never be asked. Calling it rap, somebody to dash, I ain't my never look quick to that. Straight with battles and colors, I spotted these niggas right just like cats, thinking and thinking, these niggas mistaken, they fucking with killers, these niggas fake. Ain't no nigga fucking with me, bitch, so I can stay on the train. Nigga, I'll write the rap, niggas stick my home, nigga, I was doing it. How the fuck you think you gon' just throw the kids to a bitch, nigga, this is something these people just wanna listen to, bitch. I'm giving it to you, nigga, I'm feeling you, nigga, from my head to my toe, be a G, bitch, up through my veins, you see the camera just flowing in the pain, bitch, I'm the one, they say be playing, blast blood, I'm pussy ass niggas, that's why they saying, nigga, I open this thing, nigga, it's stainless, brand new combo, running on left, cause a motherfucker think I changed this, niggas don't want to do that. Hey, fuck around and get your ass with blue black. I'ma tell you that I know I spit that time, but right now I'm gonna have my nigga grind.
Break up out the pen, got the plan to be the man. I'm from the ground, I'm getting tired of being busted. I had to punch and change my time. I'm bringing that old slang and rock. I bring up Kilo slang and grip. I am so stitched in a motherfucker about stacking the major grip. Now that's the face I got to see. I'm putting no real that's being stacked. Dealing only with my folks, so ain't no stab me in my back. I know you feel me. That boy's got so many of us time, but after cross so many of us, this tool still keep shit on the block. Now they protect them. No, you know that's how we play. Ain't got no love for the motherfucker who wants to work with the DA, but back I'm pulling it on the ass, ain't no more than I'm calling posted. Got me spot with my life, well, while I'm at my spot, get a road.
I like to give a shout out to the niggas that made it. They got me in the new phone, they call me ugly face, kid. I drank a little before again, so I'm slightly wasted. That's okay, bitch. Watch how the track get played, bitch, yeah. They done let me on this track, so haters be wearing these haters, niggas don't want me to make it, bitch, but I'm out already. With words to the track and ball steady. I'm serious than a motherfucker, baby, y'all petty. Niggas claiming they gangsta, dawg, I'm on some next shit. I step up in your mouth and use your ass as my exit. Walk through you, play up, I lay your whole style sleep. Bitch, we don't believe you need more people. I ain't heard a lot of shit from the rappers that was made. Oh, they coming through and kicking down the throat of niggas' way. To all my fellas, don't ever be stupid. Start doing you because you're not the music, alright? They started to serve sipping. Lame, simple, folks, tickets, some big niggas. Stop the dick whip.
Y'all really ride with that? Y'all feeling that? Look,
Hey. I'm in the club, so in the club. Don't represent these niggas, I get it up. Tell the nigga who y'all paying to sleep. Hey, the guy, hey,